Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to auto backup a gallery photos to Google Photos on your iPhone. The first thing I want you to do is launch up Google Photos on your iPhone, come to the top right and click on your profile icon, and from here you'll see a pop-up menu with options. I want you to come here and tap on turn on backup, okay? And here you'll be able to see your backup settings. From here you can select either storage saver, okay, if you want to back up a low quality version of your photos and videos, or you can choose original quality if you want to back up an original quality version of your photos and videos. Additionally, what you can also do is choose whether or not you want to turn on cellular data to back up your iPhone photos and videos to Google Photos. And you can come here and click on confirm once you're done with that. And then what will happen, you'll see this icon here, okay, with this arrow pointing up and a dotted line appear around your profile icon. Okay, this basically indicates that your photos and videos are being backed up. Okay, and if you want to see the progress, you can just click on your profile icon and you'll see the progress. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.